Hello and welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here and you don't know who I am, then hi, my name is Richa. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing one dip or pump challenge, which is absolutely very tough, but let's see how I'm gonna do. So let's get into the video. This because मेरी सारी hair bands गुम हो चुकी है, पता नहीं कहाँ पे है. So I have to use this. Look quite good. So let's get started. मैंने अपनी स्किन पहले से ही प्रेप कर चुकी हूँ. So अब मैं करूँगी primer. For primer I have this 3 primers. So I am very confused कि कौन सा यूज़ करूँ. So today I'm gonna use this Huda Beauty primer. शायद ज़्यादा भी आ सकता है और कम भी आ सकता है. So okay, I got this much, enough for priming my skin. So it's time for foundation and I am using this Fit Me foundation. I actually have Huda Beauty but वो बहुत ही thick है, so I have to use this. So only one pump, and I also have liquid inside foundation लेकिन वो cover up नहीं, so I have to use this. Pray for me. I got this much. I have to cover my whole face as well as neck. So now I'm gonna use concealer and I'm using Fit Me concealer. So this is I think very easy because मुझे इतने dark circles नहीं है, तो I think it's easy for me. So I'm using this as my eye primer. We're gonna highlight my face. खत्म हो गया. That's okay. And I'm gonna blend it with the same beauty blender. Actually I have so many beauty blenders, like in this one is so good. So for loose powder, I'm using this Fit Me loose powder, and with the hair brushes. By the way, I wash my brushes and ये थोड़ा सा यूज़ हो चुका है. So अगर आपको जानना है कि मैं इसे कैसे वॉश करती हूँ तो मैं लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूँगी, आप चेक कर सकते हो. वो वीडियो भी मैंने बनाया हुआ है. Also I bought this brushes from Amazon, so if you are curious then वो भी मैं लिंक डाल दूँगी, so you can purchase easily. So yeah, I'm gonna do loose powder now. Because it's one dip, so I have to cover it. Okay, open. Okay, it's too much. अगर ज़्यादा आ गया ना तो भी हॉरिबल लगेगा. step is a contour, and I am using Sugar Palette. So yeah, one dip. I can do this. See, I have a very small forehead. Also, I have jawline, so I don't use much. Like कभी-कभी use करती हूँ, लेकिन I don't use much. It's not much. It's not less. Nothing. So it's not a brush for nose, but I have to do it because one dip. Okay, I think I'm done. Next step is a blush, and for that I think I should use this because अगर ज़्यादा आ गया ना तो बहुत ही गंदी लगने वाली हूँ. So I'm using again Sugar Palette and this shade. You can do this. It's maybe craft, but I can't do again. So I'm gonna do eyeshadow now. So for that I am using this Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette because I know it will be good if I'm gonna use this. So yeah, one dip, that's it. Which color? I think I'm gonna go for purple. Yeah, let's do it. Purple and pink. Purple and orange. Purple and orange. Okay, purple and orange. So I'm gonna dip it here only one time. Then I have to not much. Now I'm gonna use a blazing color, this wala, because it's a little bit in orange shade. Oh my god. Next I'm gonna use any shimmery colors. So I am using this Blood Moon, this one, with this dome shaped brush, only one stroke. ये भी ज़्यादा आ रहा है. I actually wanted to use this one from Record blue eyeliner, लेकिन ये एक स्ट्रोक में नहीं होगा, मुझे पता है दोनों आईज में, so I have to skip this. And I'm using this Lakme as always, so only one time I can do this. Now I'm gonna use Colossal Kajal from Maybelline. I mostly have Maybelline products, and yeah, mostly have that. I'm using CoverGirl mascara only one time. Next step is eyebrows. So I'm gonna do that. So for eyebrows, I have this Miss Rose eyeshadow palette and I am using this black shade. Only one time. ज़्यादा भी आ सकता है, कम भी आ सकता है, so ज़्यादा आ गया. So it's time for lipstick and I already used lip balm and I'm using this Maybelline New York lipstick and I'm in the shade 130 Self Starter. Only one time. Too much. Okay, I'm done with my makeup and one thing is left, which is highlighter. So I'm using this Born to Glow highlighter and I can only dip it one time. So I'm gonna go for this one, golden one. अगर कुछ ज़्यादा आ गया तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है because I can use it all over my body. And the last thing is a makeup fixer. One time spray. I think I have to dab it क्योंकि इधर ही लगा हुआ है. One stroke, one dip and one pump. So makeup भी बहुत सारा बच गया and I think it's look gorgeous. This is it for my video and I really hope you guys like this video. मुझे लगा कि ये बहुत ही hard होगा लेकिन it was easy. Like I was worried about foundation and eyeliner only. क्योंकि आई शेडो मुझे पता था कि ये बहुत ही डार्क है तो हो जाएगा. तो मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए कि आपको कौन से वीडियोस और चैलेंजेस देखने हैं मेरी चैनल पे. सो मैं वो ट्राई करूँगी क्रिएट करने में. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. You can find page here, also link in the description box below. Also subscribe my channel and thank you so much for 1k and yeah, birthday vlog will coming soon, so stay tuned for that. And thank you so much guys for watching. Stay happy, stay blessed, stay bindas. Bye bye.